In computer networking, processes running on different hosts must communicate. But an application process doesn't handle the network directly. Instead, it sends and receives messages through a software interface called a socket. Think of a socket as the door between the application layer and the transport layer. To send a message, the sending process pushes it out its socket door. The application relies on the underlying transport infrastructure on the other side of the door to deliver the message to the destination. At the receiving host, the message passes through the receiver's socket to reach the target process. How does the network transport layer know which process to deliver a message to? A host's IP address only gets the packet to the destination device. To reach the exact process, we need a port number. A socket is uniquely identified by the combination of an IP address and a port number, acting like an apartment number on a building address. From a developer's perspective, using sockets follows a strict programming lifecycle. First, a socket is created. It is then bound to a local port. Finally, it establishes a connection, or listens for incoming data, sending and receiving byte streams before eventually closing. This standard API serves as the uniform interface for all network communication.